Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will show you how I decorate these floating shelves in a low budget. I am not an interior designer guys, but I got inspirations from Pinterest and Miss Elle. So let me share this idea on how to decorate shelves in a very affordable budget. Tip number 1, collect all the items. These are the items that I have. Some are old, some are new, and some are gifts to me. Most of the items here are from Shopee, and if you haven't watched my affordable room decor haul, I will be putting the link of the video down below and also my DIY room decor video. Tip number 2, choose your color scheme. So in my case, I want color pink and white with gold and black accent. So here's the final look guys. I just added gold accent and a little bit of black, and as you can see, I also put frames dahil mahilig ako sa mga frames with prints, and I just spent less than 1,000 pesos for this design. Tip number 3, choose your theme. Dahil uso ngayon yung mga plants and wooden accent, I chose rustic with greenery as my theme for this design. Super simple, and I am really loving green plants right now. here's the final look of my rustic theme. What I love about this is I showcase my love for my little plants and I just spent 830 pesos for this design. Tip number 4, you don't need to follow these tips, just do whatever you want. Yes guys, it's your home. Do whatever makes you happy and don't forget to have fun. So here's the final look guys, it's so minimal and I just spent 600 pesos for this design. There you have it guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always remember that life is too short, enjoy every moment of it. See you on my next one, bye!